Hello everybody. In this lesson I will discuss a practice example on the cos rule, and you will see it's about an aeroplane. I love them. Now my students always ask me, where in real life will I use mathematics? Now here's a classic example. The Airbus A380 is the largest passenger aeroplane in the world. In the diagram, the top view of the plane is shown. The wingspan of the plane is 79,8 meters and is shown by line DE. If it is given that dr is equal to ER and they are equal to 43,4 meters and DE is 79,8 meters, determine, rounded to one decimal digit, the size of angle DRE. Now, what can you see? That again, three sides were given and we are looking for angle R. Therefore, when three sides are given, you use the cosine rule. Let's write the cosine rule for our situation. Therefore, dE squared, we'll make that one the subject of the formula, is equal to dr squared plus RE squared, the two sides that forms the included angle there, minus 2 times dr times RE, the cos of angle DRE. Let's substitute. In DE's place, 79,8 squared equals dr and RE will be 43,4 squared plus 43,4 squared minus 2. 43,4 times 43,4 cos of R. And then in the next step, you'll see what I did here. I took the 43,4 squared across and it became negative 43,4 squared. I did exactly the same with the other 43,4 squared and it becomes negative. And then here on this one, I divided right through by negative 2 times 43,4 times 43,4 to make cos R the subject of the formula. Now you can slot that into your calculator in one go and you end with minus 0,690 etc. is equal to cos R. And here you will use your knowledge of trig equations to solve R. Again, when we find an angle, we ignore the minus and we will simply slot into our calculator shift cos 0,690 etc. close bracket equals. And then you find the reference angle is 46,3 degrees. But you will reason it out and you will say, where is cos negative in the second quadrant? Therefore, the angle R will be 180 minus 46,3 degrees and R is 133,7 degrees. In the next lesson, I will discuss an exam question on the sine and the cos rule. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.